The crypto market as a whole is dropping. There's no question about it, especially as we watch Bitcoin break major structure support. Now, this may not look like a big deal, but if you draw the rest of the pattern, we have what's called a bear flag, and this causes massive drops in the bear market. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to trade using trading volume, specifically whale trading volume, and how to use the EMA Distance Analyzer to catch the next potential entry. Guys, you're not going to want to miss that, because missing this entry could mean missing out on hundreds of % of profit. Real quick, in the tradeconfident.io website, the links are in the description down below. Our AI indicator sale is on, but only for a few more hours. It ends at 5 p.m. Pacific time. And at the time of recording, it is 1:11. Guys, less than 4 hours left. If you want to get access to these indicators and make sure you don't miss this entry, watch to the end and I'll show you how to get access. We're trading Bitcoin USD on the daily time frame with the volume bubbles and the EMA Distance Analyzer. Now, I've gone over multiple videos over the past week talking about the fact that the price is likely to drop. Just to recap really quickly, we're in a bear flag pattern. This is the second bear flag pattern to play out through this bear market. Take a look up here from the top of the bull market down, bear flag 1, crash, bear flag 2, we're about to crash again. If we go to the last bear market, we got the top major bear flag pattern 1, smaller bear flag pattern 2, and then we got the bottom. This is exactly what we're expecting to play out, and that's a quick recap. Now, when using volume bubbles, what we're going to do is actually switch to the weekly time frame. What I want you to notice is at major points, like the top here, the middle of the crash, top here and middle of the crash, there was insane amounts of whale selling volume. This means that we need to be ready. If we get another red volume bubble, there is a huge amount of whale selling volume, and whales are the market makers. Where whale money goes, the market is likely to go too. Selling volume here would absolutely crash the market. And again, this is something that we saw consistently play out in the last bear market. This is what we're watching for the volume bubbles. Now, as the price drops, we want to find the opposite. We want to see green volume bubbles indicating large amounts of whale buy pressure. And when you get that, this is where we're looking for major moves up. So what I want you to do is set a quick alert on the volume bubbles. We're looking for large buy volume. Once per bar close, click create. And as soon as you see that alert pop on your trading device on the weekly time frame, this may be a fantastic time to enter. We're going to drop down to the daily time frame again. We're going to hide the volume bubbles. And the other indicator we are watching very closely, this time on the daily, is the EMA Distance Analyzer. What I want you to do, let me delete this line because I'm going to show you how to set it. Go over to a horizontal line and put it right around -12. Double click this line and actually type in -12. This way it is exact. Now, as the price drops, once we see one of these pink bars pass below -12, we're going to watch closely, and the next bar that is shorter than the one that passes through -12, that is an entry point. The last time it happened was right here. It caught the bottom of the bear flag and we saw moves up. Right here, caught the bottom of the bear flag, we saw moves up, and this is going to be another entry confirmation. What we can do here is create an alert. This one's a little more complicated, so stick with me. EMA Distance Analyzer. Click it to crossing down. We want the value set at -12. Click create. Now, this is going to let you know, not on candle close at all, but as soon as you see the EMA Distance Analyzer pass below -12, you will be alerted immediately. This is important to know, and I want you to keep a close eye for both of these indicator signals, because once they show up, whales are buying, and the EMA is extremely oversold. The exponential moving average is extremely oversold, and we're likely to see massive moves up. Massive discounts on these indicators right now, but there's only a few hours left at the time of recording. If you want to get access, the maximum discount, I'm talking $700 off, can be found in the description down below. Membership is the second link. Click that. It'll bring you to our sign up page. We're giving you your first month for 25% off. This is where you can get access to our future forecast coaching videos. Lots of updates there, so be sure to check that out. What we're looking at right now is the AI indicators. Down here, the volume bubbles is what you're looking for. Reveal the coupon code here. That's going to give you $200 off each of our AI indicators. We also have the market cycle highs and lows and the Pro Trade Manager. This major discount absolutely dwarfs the non-member discount. It's actually double the discount all the way around. So get the membership, save at least $200 off, and the EMA Distance Analyzer after this sale ends is going up $100. So really quick, reveal your coupon code, write it down, click checkout on Gumroad. I want this. From here, you can go back to the AI indicators tab, add whichever other ones you want to the cart, click checkout on Gumroad again, add that to cart, throw in your membership code, fill in your information, click pay, and you are good to go. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership for the end of the indicator sale. Don't miss out.